Hello and welcome. This is Conversation English Beginner. Today, we practice listening. Listening to English is very important. This video is very good for your ears. You will listen to a long story. The story is slow. The words are easy. You will see the text on the screen. You can listen and read, or you can just listen. Close your eyes and listen. It's good practice. The story is about Anna. She is 25. She talks about her simple life. Ready to listen? Let's start. Hello. My name is Anna. I am 25 years old. I live in a big city. The city is very busy. I live in an apartment. My apartment is small but nice. It is on the 3rd floor. My apartment has a living room, a bedroom, a kitchen, and a bathroom. In my living room, there is a big sofa. The sofa is blue. I like blue. There is a table in front of the sofa. On the table, there is a book and a magazine. There is a big window. I like the window. From the window, I can see the street. The street has many cars and many people. My bedroom is small. In my bedroom, there is a bed. The bed is very comfortable. I have a lamp on my table. I read books in my bed. I have many books. I like to read. My kitchen is white. In my kitchen, there is a refrigerator, an oven, and a small table. I have 2 chairs. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I like my kitchen. I have a small family. I have a mother and a father. My mother's name is Susan. She is 55 years old. She is a teacher. She works in a school. She likes her job. My father's name is Robert. He is 58 years old. He is a doctor. He works in a hospital. He is very busy. I have one brother. His name is David. David is 28 years old. He is married. His wife's name is Emma. Emma is very nice. I like Emma. David and Emma have one daughter. Her name is Chloe. Chloe is 2 years old. She is very cute. I love Chloe. I am an aunt. I like being an aunt. I don't have a husband. I don't have a boyfriend. I am single. It is okay. I am happy. I have a job. I work in an office. The office is in the city center. I go to work by bus. The bus is sometimes slow. I start work at 9 o'clock in the morning. I finish work at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. At work, I have a desk and a computer. I answer the phone. I write emails. I organize meetings. My job is not very exciting, but it is okay. My colleagues are nice. We eat lunch together. We talk and laugh. I like Fridays. On Friday, we finish work early. Sometimes we go to a cafe after work. We drink coffee or tea. We talk about our weekend plans. On weekdays, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I take a shower. The shower is warm and nice. After the shower, I get dressed. I wear a dress or a skirt and a blouse. I like dresses. Then I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I usually eat cereal with milk. I drink a cup of coffee. I need coffee in the morning. After breakfast, I brush my teeth. I get my bag. I leave my apartment at 8 o'clock. I walk to the bus stop. The bus stop is near my apartment. I wait for the bus. The bus arrives at 8:15. I take the bus to work. The bus ride is 20 minutes. I listen to music on the bus. I like music. I arrive at work at 9 o'clock. I work all day. At 1 o'clock, I have lunch. I often eat a sandwich and an apple. I drink water. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I take the bus home. I arrive home at 5:30. At home, I change my clothes. I put on comfortable pants and a t-shirt. Then I make dinner. I like to cook. I cook simple food, pasta, rice, chicken, vegetables. I eat dinner and watch TV. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I read a book or call a friend. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. I am tired. I sleep well. The weekend is my favorite time. On Saturday, I wake up late. I wake up at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. It is wonderful. I make a big breakfast. I eat eggs and toast. I drink orange juice. On Saturday morning, I clean my apartment. I wash the floor. I dust the furniture. I do the laundry. I don't like cleaning, but I like a clean apartment. In the afternoon, I meet my friends. My best friend is Lisa. Lisa is 26 years old. We go to the park. We walk and talk. Sometimes we go shopping. We look at clothes. We sometimes buy a new dress or new shoes. I like shopping. On Saturday evening, I sometimes go to the cinema with Lisa. We watch a film. We eat popcorn. On Sunday, I am relaxed. I often visit my parents. They live in a house outside the city. I take the train. The train ride is 40 minutes. My mother cooks a big lunch. We eat meat, potatoes, and salad. It is very good. After lunch, we talk. We drink tea. My father watches sport on TV. In the evening, I take the train back to the city. I have many hobbies. I like to read. I read every day. I like romantic books and mystery books. I like to listen to music. I like pop music. I have a guitar. I am learning to play the guitar. It is difficult but fun. I like to walk. On sunny days, I walk in the park. The park is beautiful. There are many trees and flowers. There is a small lake. I like to sit by the lake. I like to travel. I don't travel a lot because I don't have a lot of money. But last year I went to Spain. It was very hot. The sea was blue. The food was delicious. I want to travel more. I want to see Italy, Greece, and England. I have dreams for the future. I want a better job. Maybe I want to work with animals. I love animals. I want a dog. But my apartment is small. It is not good for a dog. Maybe one day I will have a big apartment or a small house with a garden. Then I can have a dog. Maybe one day I will have a husband and children. But not now. Now I am happy with my life. I am 25 years old. My life is simple and good.